Ya, oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to communication in English. How are you today? I hope you are all fine and then beautiful. Today is it you always healthy ya. Semoga kalian selalu sehat walafiat di hari yang cerah ini. Mungkin agak mendung sedikit ya. Sehingga kita bisa belajar seperti biasa ya, walaupun masih belajar melalui video conference. The last meeting we have to study about a greeting and introduction ya, and then we would like to review about greeting. But before we start our lesson today, it will be better we take a prayer first. Ya, jadi kita belajar. Kita berdoa terlebih dahulu sebelum kita belajar. Let's take a prayer. Begin. Finish. Maybe we would like to start our study today. Talking about greeting. Greeting ya. Maybe before you introduce yourself our material today talking about greeting, introduction, telling time, direction, describing physical appearance and workplace. First we would like study about greeting. Greeting itu apa? Ya, salam ya. Maybe when you meet someone first time, don't forget to say greeting. Misalnya formal situation. For the formal situation, greeting you can say good morning, good afternoon, good day, or good noon, or good evening, and good night, and how do you do. This is the formal situation ya. You can look at here. Good morning. For 24 hours till 12 p.m. and then you can look at here 12 p.m. till p.m. till 6 p.m. Yeah, this is you can look at when do you want to say greeting. Misalnya kalau jam 12 siang ya, kamu bilangnya apa? Good afternoon ya. Kalau misalnya jam 6 sore 6 p.m. you can say good evening and then good night. Good night usually if you want to go to bed ya. Kalau misalnya kalian mau pergi tidur biasanya menggunakan good night. Jadi jangan salah kalau misalnya Syahnadi mau mengucapkan SMS temennya gitu, tapi waktu itu malam harusnya bilangnya good evening, tapi kamu bilangnya good night, berarti itu ucapan selamat tidur ya. Jadi jangan salah, good night for to go bed. And that's less formal situation. This is less formal situation. You can say hello, hi, how are you, nice to see you, nice to meet you ya. This is for the informal, less formal situation, or informal you can say with your friend. You can say like that. Next, asking someone condition. After you say greeting to your friend, don't forget to ask someone condition. For example, in the former situation, actually you always hear about it, how are you today ya. Paling ini selalu kalian dengar ketika mungkin saya atau guru bahasa Inggris lainnya itu mengajar, pasti selalu menanyakan how are you today ya, because is it the formal situation. Usually you say or you asking someone condition about how are you or how are you today ya. And I'm fine, thanks. I'm alright, thank you. I'm very well. Thank you ya. Jadi jangan hanya kalau misalnya saya saya bertanya how are you today, kamu pasti jawabnya always fine. Ya, selalu jawabnya fine. Padahal ada yang lainnya. Misalnya kamu bisa menjawab I'm good, I'm very well, I'm alright, I'm okay. Ya, jadi tidak hanya kalau misalnya how are you, mungkin di pikiran kamu itu how are you itu jawabannya harus I'm fine, tapi tidak selalu begitu ya, karena mindsetnya selalu how are you, I'm fine, how are you, I'm fine. Jadi sampai sekarang sudah vocational high school, you always answer I'm fine, thank you ya. Padahal ada yang lainnya. Oke, bisa juga kamu bilang how do you do, use at first meet with people. Ini digunakan ketika kamu pertama kali bertemu dengan seseorang. You can say how do you do, how do you do, what's your name. Ya, you can say like that. Next, how is Miss Anna healthy now? Ya, you can say like that. Gimana kesehatan Miss Anna sekarang gitu, Miss Arlene, atau Miss Anna is getting better now. Ya, maybe is it asking the someone condition about your friend or your teacher not good before. Ya, sebelumnya mungkin dia tidak sehat, tapi sekarang ditanyakan lagi gimana kesehatannya Miss Anna sekarang. Miss Anna is getting better now. Ya, sudah lebih baik sekarang katanya gitu. And then you can say, would you tell me about Miss Indah in business now? Sorry, wait a minute. Reja baru masuk. Halo, welcome Reja. Ya,
Assalamualaikum, Bu.
Waalaikumsalam. Okay, we continue our material ya, kita lanjutkan. And then I'm fine, thank you. I'm alright, thank you. I'm very well, thank you. It's hard to say. I think Miss Indah business more forward than last ago. Ya, itu sulit untuk mengatakan. Saya pikir Miss Indah itu urusan Miss Indah gitu. Ya, Miss Indah business now. Business, this is not about business ya in Indonesian, tapi ini bisa dimaksud dengan urusannya Miss Indah gitu, atau keadaannya Miss Indah. Bagaimana keadaannya Miss Indah? Would you tell me about Miss Indah business now? Gitu. Bisnis ini bukannya bisnis ya, bisnis untuk misalnya mendapatkan uang, tapi bisnis ini keadaan, juga bisa disebut keadaan. Next. Okay. Asking someone condition informal situation ya. Before slide, we would like to informal situation, ya, asking someone condition formal situation, and now informal situation. Ya, informal situation you can say it for your friend, best friend, or closest friend. Ya, bisa dengan ini. Jadi kalau misalnya mungkin sama orang yang lebih tua atau dalam kondisi formal kayak di sekolah, terus di kantor gitu, tempat kerja, kamu pakainya yang how are you today, how about misalnya are you healthy now, ya, you can say like that. But in informal situation, ya, you can say how's life or what's up. Ya, biasanya ini sering disebut WhatsApp. Is it the slang language? And how are you doing? Are you doing okay? How is it going? Is everything alright? Yeah. Have you been alright? And how is everything? How's everything? Yeah, you can ask the someone condition for informal situation like this. Jadi jangan selalu kalau misalnya kamu menanyakan kabar sama orang itu harus selalu bilang how are you today, tidak selalu seperti itu, tapi bisa menggunakan yang lain. Misalnya kalau ke teman sebaya, you can say what's up or how's everything, how's life. Ya, this is the simple sentence to asking someone condition with your friend. Atau kalau misalnya nggak pernah ketemu, kamu bisa have you been alright? Ya, atau where have you been, kemana aja kamu gitu, where have you been alright, selama ini kamu baik-baik saja gitu, you can say like that ya. And then the response asking healthy, not always you say fine, but there's a different word ya, but the similar meaning. You can say very well, I'm good, I'm alright, yeah, I'm okay. Or you can say wonderful if your day is very beautiful or wonderful, you can say like that. And atau kalau misalnya mau bilang biasa aja sih gitu, tidak ada yang spesial, not too bad, ya tidak terlalu buruk, itu mungkin biasa aja, or not too well, ya so. Great or okay, could not better, and it could be bad. Ya, ini tidak akan very well, thanks, not too bad. Ya, you can say like that. Ya, jadi jangan selalu kalau misalnya nanya how's life, I'm fine. Atau kalau kamu tidak sedang baik-baik saja, I'm not well. Ya, you can say like that. I'm not well, I'm not good, I'm not okay. Ya, or you can say not too well, not too bad. Ya, you can say like that. Next. Okay, taking leave of people, ya. After you say greeting and then maybe asking someone condition, and is it taking leave people? Ya, when you want to leave a people, kamu mau meninggalkan seseorang itu, misalnya after you talking about the condition, talking about your life, and you have to finish your conversation, you can say like this. Ya, this is the formal situation. It's nice talking with you, goodbye. Ya, jadi kamu senang tuh ngomong sama dia. Atau well, it was nice to meet you, goodbye. I really have to go. Thank you for your time. Ya, you can say like that for the formal situation. Maybe you always hear about nice to meet you, nice talking with you, goodbye. Ya, kamu mungkin sering dengar seperti itu. Ya, you can use it in the formal situation, or you can say thank you for your time, goodbye. Ya, don't forget to goodbye. And then informal situation, I'm gone, I must go. Ya, it's time to go, I'm leaving, bye now, see you, I must be off. Ciao. What is ciao? Ciao ini sama aja kayak goodbye gitu, sama seperti goodbye, but is it for the informal situation? You can use it for your friend, ya, the closest friend. Biasanya teman dekat menggunakan ini. This is the slang. Ya, slang word. Oke, next. Oke, finish. This is talking about greeting, and someone condition and taking leave of people. Is there any question about it? Ada yang ditanyakan? Oh, Jayadi baru masuk, Jayadi. Is there any question about our material today, talking about greeting and the someone condition? Ada yang ditanyakan? Is there any question? Ada yang ditanyakan tentang materi tentang greeting? Jayadi ya, baru nanya Jayadi. Terus siapa tadi yang baru masuk? Febri dan Reza ya. Reza. Yeah, okay. Maybe I would like to practice. Ya, we would like to practice about greeting. Ya, kita sekarang praktek untuk greeting. Mungkin di kelas bahasa Inggris kita sudah praktek untuk introduction, tapi di sini karena ada materi introduction juga, we would like to practice about your introduction. But is it more complete ya about your identity, dengan identitas kalian. Oke, Febri, can you hear me?
Ibu.
Yeah, Febri, I would like, how are you today? Good morning, Febri. Can you open your camera?
Maaf Bu, kalau kamera dibuka langsung keluar Bu.
Oh, okay, Febri. Good morning, Febri.
Morning Bu.
How's life? How's life, Febri? Febri, how's life?
Apa Bu?
How's life? Nah, apa tuh jawabannya? Coba if I ask you, how's life, Febri? Ya, what's your answer? Ya, you can say, I'm fine, or I'm good, or I'm healthy, I'm very well, ya. Tadi kan sudah dijelaskan. Okay, next.
I'm fine Bu.
Okay, good. Thank you, Febri. Jayadi. Next, Jayadi, open your camera, please. Hello, Jayadi is there? Jayadi? Okay, Jayadi, good morning, Jayadi.
Morning, Bu.
How are you today? How are you today, Jayadi? How are you today, Jayadi? Halo? Jayadi suaranya nggak ada nih. Ya, okay, thank you, Jayadi. Maybe we continue to Iqbal. Ya, Muhammad Iqbal. Ayo, okay, Iqbal. Jayadi, you can close or you can off your microphone, and then Iqbal. Halo, Iqbal. Iqbal, open your camera and your microphone, please. Iqbal, there is no Iqbal. Sang Aji. Halo Sang Aji.
Oh ya, Bu.
Ya, Bu. Oh ya. Ya, Iqbal boleh ditutup sekarang Sang Aji dulu ya. Oke, Sang Aji, open your camera please, and then good morning Sang Aji.
Morning, Miss.
Can you open your camera? Ya, oke. Mana wajahnya nih? Nggak kelihatan wajahnya. Oke, Sang Aji. Good morning Sang Aji.
Morning. Morning, Miss.
Ya, how's everything? How's everything?
Yes, I good.
Ya, oke. Nice to talk with you. Thank you Sang Aji. Ranu Eka, you can open your camera please. Ranu Eka. Hello Ranu. Are you there? Okay, next to Reja.
There is, Miss. There is.
Reja, please. Oh yeah, okay. Ranu, can you open your camera please? Ya, oke, Ranu. Good morning, Ranu. Good morning, Ranu. Ranu, open your microphone.
Good morning, too.
Microphone, ya, oke. How's everything?
What, Miss?
How's everything?
Siapa?
Ayo, how's everything or how's life?
Belum deh. Diem.
Answer my question,
Cilanu
please.
masa diem, Miss?
Answer my question, please. Ranu. How's life? Or how are you there? How are you? How are you
I'm
now?
fine, Miss.
Ya, oke, good. Oke, thank you Ranu. Next to Reja. Ya, jadi kalau bisa tuh jadi jawabannya jangan I'm fine, always I'm fine, because you have a different word to describe your condition. Reja, can you open your
Ya, Miss.
kamera? Ya, kamera and your microphone. Ya, oke. Good morning, Reja.
Very good, Miss.
Good morning, Reja. Baru tanya good morning. Udah very good aja, Reja. Good morning, Reja.
Good morning, Miss.
Oke.
Jawabannya yang tadi, Miss.
How's everything? How's everything?
Jawabannya yang tadi.
Yeah. Answer my question more. Are you okay?
Kagak ngerti, Miss.
Are you okay?
Baik-baik aja, Miss.
Yeah, in English?
I'm okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, very good. Thank you, Reja. Next to Riandri. Halo, Riandri. Can you open your camera and your microphone? Riandri? Are you there? Gak ada Riandri. Gak ada suaranya. Syahnadi? Oke, Syahnadi. Halo, Syahnadi. Syahnadi, ada Syahnadi? Syahnadim nggak ada suaranya. Yusrianto. Next, Yusrianto.
Mami.
Ya, oke, Yusri. Ya. This is I remember you more ya about greeting and then asking someone condition ya. Asking someone condition in the formal situation, you can say how do you do, how are you today, how are you, how is blah blah blah, hope now, would you tell me about blah 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 is business now ya. You can say you can ask someone condition with this expression. Next, how's life, what's up, how are you doing, are you doing okay, or are you okay, how is it going, is it everything alright, have you been alright, yeah, how's everything, how are things, yeah. You can ask someone condition for the informal situation like this expression ya. Jadi kalau misalnya ditanyakan, okay, Yusri, how are you today, good morning, how are you today, Yusri, can you open your camera please?
I'm fine, Mi. Buka kameranya.
Ya, oke. Ya, oke, fine. Oke, very good, Yusri, thank you. Abdul. Oke, back to Abdul. Oke, Abdul, you can open your camera, please. Abdul. Ya, Abdul, open your camera and I would like your face. Mana wajahnya nggak kelihatan, Abdul?
Baterai saya low, Bu.
Alasan aja si Abdul mah.
Bener, Bu.
Good morning, Abdul. Good morning, Abdul.
Morning, Miss.
Is everything alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
Yes. Yes, I'm fine. Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, maybe times will be over today. Yeah. Maybe times will be over. Thank you for your participation and your attention. And I'm really happy to hear your voice and your expression when study communication in English. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.